Hey everyone, it's our very first craft of the summer and we're going to customize flip-flops today. There are so many ways to do this, and the ways that I have chosen in this video are just two of the many ways you can do it. If you're going to start sticking things to your flip-flops or working with your flip-flops though, it's a good idea to give them a wash. Anything you glue to your flip-flop won't stick very well if your flip-flop is dirty, and it's just not fun to craft with something that isn't clean. So give it a little wash, soapy water, and then you can dive in with whatever way you want to decorate them. If you are interested in painting them or drawing on them, go for it. Sharpie's amazing on flip-flops. Or you can do things like I'm doing here, which is tying little water balloons to them. I think it's colorful. It looks kind of like confetti. I could never wear these because I feel like the allergic reaction to the balloon would be intense. So if you're allergic to latex balloons in any way, latex anything, this is not the version for you. But you can do the same thing with fabric, and it's really cool. If you come to the craft tonight, which we hope you will, there will be an option to do this version. There's an option to do a fabric version. And then we've got all kinds of paint markers, Sharpies, fake jewels, whatever you feel like. I don't like how I have to say fake jewels. Like I would have real jewels. You know, the library just has jewels. We don't. We do have fake jewels though, that you can glue on. And if you look online, you might find an interesting way to do something that you didn't think of. So you can come with a plan, or just come and have fun. If you are tying fabric or something on, especially if you're doing this at home, make sure you try on your flip-flop, take a look, and say, is this piece of fabric long enough for me to step on it? And then cut it if it is. We don't want you to face plant on the sidewalk the first time you wear your new shoes. And if you want to come tonight, which we hope you do, you can pick up flip-flops at the store if you want, but you don't have to. Just, as I said, give them a quick scrub. And that's as easy as it is. See me trimming so that I don't die? Be careful. And the fabric will fray a little bit, but that's all right. It looks kind of cool when it does. You can also do this with colors from your favorite team, or make matching ones for all your friends. Very cool. And that's really it. You can make these as elaborate or basic as you want, up to you. And all done.